Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Divya Agarwal. I am a professional makeup artist. You can check out my work on Instagram. I'll leave the Instagram handle in the description box below. So today I am going to create a Valentine's Day makeup look but with something different. I will be using one product of every affordable brand that I have. Before going further, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, before any further ado, let's start the video. To start with, I am using the Swiss Beauty 3-in-1 serum all over my face. It helps to brighten and moisturize your face. Next, I am using the Sugar Pore Minimizing Primer to blur out my pores. It creates a smooth canvas and is ideal for reducing the appearance of fine lines and large pores. Now I am using the LA Girl Pro Corrector in the shade Orange. I will be applying it all over my acne marks and dark circles. But make sure you don't apply too much of color corrector. Now I am blending it with a small blending brush. For my foundation, I am using the Kryolan Derma palette. I am in the shade D64. I am using a concealer brush and applying it all over my face. Now I will be blending it with my foundation brush. For the concealer, I am using the Cuffs and Lashes Cover Pot. I am using the shade number 09. It has a very creamy formula and blends really nicely. For the contouring, I am using the Nykaa stick in the shade Toffee Chisel. I will be applying it on the hollow of my cheekbones, jawline, forehead and the side of my nose. Using a blending brush, I will be blending the concealer and the contour lines. To set my face, I am using the Forever 52 banana powder. I will be applying it all over my face using a powder brush. Now I am using the Deborah blush. Always apply your blush from the ear down to the cheekbones towards your mouth. For the highlighter, I am using the Sugar Mini Highlighter in the shade Royal Rose. Using it on my cheekbones, chin, nose and forehead. Now moving on to the eyes, I am using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. Using the lightest shade to fill in my brows. For the eye makeup, I am using the Makeup Revolution palette. Firstly, using the peach shade on my crease. Now I will blend it out nicely. Doing the same on my other eye. For the outer corner of my eye, I am using the dark brown shade. Always start by taking up less product and build the color slowly. Now for the eyelid, I am using a copper shimmer shade. I will be applying it using a flat brush. Finally, using a blending brush to blend out any harsh lines. Now I am using the My Glam Kajal. I am using the kajal as my liner and applying it above my lash line. Using the same kajal on my waterline. For my lashes, I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to enhance them. To finish off, I am using the TS Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Nutella. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the makeup look. Please make sure you subscribe